Welcome to Resorts Reviewer. Today we're exploring the luxurious Priva Hotel Didum in Turkey. This stunning hotel is located just 5 kilometers from the center of Didim, offering a modern and stylish ambience with a beachfront location. Guests can enjoy a personalized experience with the Priva Assistance Service, daily room replenishment, and a range of amenities like an outdoor car park, beach and pool facilities, fun activities, and live music. For those seeking adventure, there are paid options like water sports and a diving school. The hotel also offers a gastronomic experience with a variety of dining options, including a la carte restaurants and themed bars. Guests are treated to a fruit platter, dessert platter and nut platter in their room upon arrival, along with bathrobe, slippers and room decoration. With top-notch service, attentive staff and a focus on guest satisfaction, Priva Hotel Didum is a perfect destination for a memorable holiday. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, this hotel has it all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more resort reviews.